Stem cells are some of the most remarkable cells found in our body. They have the capability to give rise to any cell type. Through a process called differentiation, pluripotent stem cells specialize into a particular type of cell, like a muscle cell, neuron, or immune cell. Currently, stem cells are being studied to treat diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. In the case of cancer, the cancer cells can be seen as a caricature of themselves. They have many of the same features as a normal cell, but in a distorted way. Cancer is a disease in which abnormal cells divide uncontrollably. Tumors can be seen as weeds in a garden. If you cut the leaves of the weed, it greatly reduces in size and can seem like it's gone, but soon enough the weed will grow back because its roots are still intact. Cancer stem cells, or CSCs, are like the roots of a weed. In a tumor, not all cells are the same. The rare CSCs are self-renewing cells that sustain the tumor. CSCs give rise to progeny cancer cells that make up the bulk of the tumor. One example of this can be seen in colorectal cancer. The inner surface of the colon has an area called the crypt, which is where intestinal stem cells are found. A mutation in a normal epithelial cell does not lead to a tumor, but a mutation in a stem cell in the crypt will eventually lead to a tumor. It's just a matter of time. Many forms of traditional chemotherapy target the majority of cancer cells, not the cancer stem cells. As a result, the chemotherapy seems to be working as the cancer shrinks. The CSCs are harder to kill, so they are not affected by the treatment. Soon, the tumor relapses. Cancer cells share many characteristics with stem cells, like drug resistance, motility, self-renewal, and similar gene expression and histone patterns. Using these similarities, knowledge about stem cells can be used to treat cancer. The most effective forms of chemotherapy will be able to attack cancer stem cells. These forms of chemotherapy will have less side effects, and the remainder of cancer cells in the body will be attacked by the immune system or die out naturally. By targeting the source of the tumor, applying the stem cell theory of cancer will allow treatment to be more effective and lead to lasting results.